Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Subaru Impreza, stock reference number 5591. This shape runs from the 11th month 16 and is the current shape. It has an FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre FB20 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has no damage, left rear door has no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.